Life is very short and anxious for those who forget the past, neglect the present, and fear the future. Seneca. There comes a quiet moment, not marked by birthdays or candles, but by a shift in the soul. You feel it when the noise doesn't excite you like it used to, when the silence no longer scares you, when your energy becomes sacred and not everyone gets a piece of it. That's when you know you're not just growing older, you're growing wiser. Let's talk about it. Here are 7 deep realizations we begin to have as we age. Subtle truths, deeply felt, rarely spoken. 1. Not everyone is meant to stay, and that's okay. Once, you held on tightly. To friends, to lovers, to people who felt like home until they didn't. You thought letting go was failure. You thought it meant something was wrong with you. But then life showed you. Some people are chapters, not the whole story. You learn that souls grow at different speeds, and that sometimes love is real. But timing isn't. Now you don't chase those who drift. You bless their path and continue on yours. Quietly, peacefully, without resentment. Maturity begins the day you stop chasing what walks away, not out of bitterness, but from clarity. Peace is more valuable than being right. You used to argue to be understood, to win, to prove, to correct. But you slowly realized, peace is not in convincing others, it's in being okay when they don't get it. You've seen how ego burns bridges, how silence can sometimes be louder than 1,000 words. Now, when conflict comes, you breathe, you listen, you pause, and sometimes you simply walk away, not because you can't fight, but because you choose not to. The strongest people aren't those who win every argument, but those who no longer feel the need to. 3. Attention is cheap, respect is earned. There was a time you wanted to be seen. You craved the spotlight, the likes, the applause. You confused attention with love. But now you know anyone can look at you. Few truly see you. Respect comes not from performance, but from presence, from how you show up in silence, from the integrity no one claps for. Now you move different. You don't beg to be invited. You don't sparkle for strangers. You keep your dignity intact, even when no one is watching. The older you get, the less you need attention, and the more you value alignment. 4. You don't need to explain your boundaries. You've been there, exhausted, overextended, saying yes when your soul screamed no, trying to be everything to everyone until you almost lost yourself. Then one day, you stopped. You drew the line, not in anger, but in self-respect. And when people questioned it, you didn't argue, because boundaries aren't rules for others. They're reminders for you. You no longer explain why you left unread, why you declined the invite, why you chose solitude over company. You owe no one your burnout. Saying no is not rejection, it's self-preservation. 5. You forgive, not for them, but for yourself. You carried pain like armor, replaying betrayals, rehearsing comebacks, waiting for apologies that never came, until the weight became too much. You let it fall, not because they deserved peace, but because you did. You realized forgiveness isn't forgetting. It's freeing yourself from the chains of what should have been. You don't need closure. You don't need an explanation. You just need your peace back, and that begins with you. Forgiveness is strength, not weakness, and peace is the ultimate rebellion. 6. Solitude is not loneliness, it's clarity. When you were younger, silence felt like punishment. Being alone was scary, uncomfortable. You feared being left out, or worse, left behind. But as you aged, something changed. You stopped filling your calendar just to feel valuable. You stop surrounding yourself with noise to avoid yourself. Now, you crave solitude, not because you're antisocial, but because you've finally met yourself. You walk alone and feel full. You dine alone and feel free. You've built a sanctuary inside your own mind. Solitude isn't absence, it's presence in its purest form. 7. You live with intention, not impulse. You used to say yes just to keep moving, chase moments, fill days, do what looked right on the outside, even when it felt wrong inside. But you've outgrown that. Now, every yes is sacred. Every decision is deliberate. You don't just live, you lead yourself. You no longer rush to react. You pause. You reflect. You ask, does this align with who I'm becoming? Your life is no longer a reaction, it's a design. Wisdom is not found in speed, but in stillness before action. So if you felt this shift, if noise now drains you, and peace feels like power, if your patience is deeper, your circle smaller, your boundaries firmer, then no, you're not broken. You're becoming who life always intended you to be. Waste no more time arguing what a good man should be one. Marcus Aurelius. And perhaps the greatest realization of all is this: you never really needed more. You just needed less of what never aligned with your soul. Grow, quietly, boldly, and live like someone who finally knows what matters.